Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view your browsing history in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa ating Firefox web browser, and then dito lang sa upper right side, ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong lines, so click mo lang ito. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang i-select tong history para makita natin. And then dito ay makikita mo na yung recent history natin. Ito siya. Okay, so pwede ka dito mag-delete one by one. So ang gagawin mo lang is mag-right click and then select mo lang tong delete page. Alright? So dito naman sa baba ay pwede kang mag-manage history. So click mo lang ito. At makikita mo na dito yung history natin. Halimbawa ng yesterday, ng months, older than 6 months, and dito lahat. Alright? And the other settings naman. So i-click mo lang itong tatlong line and then click mo lang tong history. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong clear recent history. So click mo lang yan. Dito sa clear recent history, may time range dito kung gusto mong i-clear. So may mga option dito. So click mo lang tong arrow na to. Kung gusto mo ng last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, today, everything. Okay, so once nakapag-select ka na dyan, and then click mo lang tong clear now. Right, in the other settings naman, so click mo lang ulit itong tatlong lines and then select mo lang tong settings. So dito sa file in settings, add mo lang yung history and then scroll lang tayo at makikita mo na dito yung clear history mga kaibigan. So i-click mo lang ito and then na dito naman yung mga options niya. Okay, may time range ulit dito na last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours today, everything. Okay, once nakapag-select ka na and then i-clear mo lang ito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-view yung browsing history sa Mozilla Firefox web browser. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.